अच्छा, अभी तक का टॉपिक इज क्लियर? Is when we are talking about promotion of our products or some events or any kind of services, so social media platforms are best for your organic marketing. You are having your own post, you are having your own page, and through that page and the profile that you have created, you can actually keep on sharing information about your offerings, right? So let's find out how the social media advertisement takes place, because organically we can keep on posting the things, but how the paid campaigns actually work. So we need to explore what are the different ways in which the social media platforms can be used, right? Because the buyers are spending time on the social media platforms, so advertisement on these channels is going to be very engaging and relevant. So we can nurture the buyers cross channel, not only on search engine, not only on the display banners. We are talking about reaching out to people because they are spending their time on social media. So we want to advertise here itself. And as we know from the many studies that 60 to 70% of the time people on their mobile phones or the desktop are spending on social media platforms itself. So whether they are spending time on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram, we can actually target them, right? According to Adweek is one agency, so they found out that the social media advertisement spend will be increased by 70% by most of the marketers, right? Which platforms do your customers use? Which platforms your competitors use? So we need to check, right? So as per one of the survey by Social Bakers, 92% of the marketers use Facebook as their primary social advertisement platform. But there are so many other platforms which are also possible. We are going to discuss them one by one. So as I said, 92% of the marketers are using Facebook, 35% are using YouTube, 23% are using Twitter, and 24% are using LinkedIn. LinkedIn sounds to be very professional, but it is being strategically used for marketing of the products and services. Facebook. Facebook is definitely the large and active user base. As I was talking about in the beginning of this video, 2.2 billion users are there. So these people are connecting there for sharing their own happenings, their own likings, their daily life routines. So definitely the brands have the opportunity to simply enter into this personal domain of the customers, and they can share lot of the information with their target customers. So Facebook has officially created a space for the brands in which you can actually not only share your activities, but also you can market your products, right? And definitely Facebook is having unique targeting abilities on the basis of your interest area, maybe the demography, the region. We can actually find out who's target customers for my products. So it is a contagious Facebook advertisement. What works on Facebook? What doesn't work on Facebook? We need to strike a balance between offering content that is valuable for the brand positioning and the content that is fun and shareable on social media channels. Generally, what happens, people are scared of social media advertisement. Why? They think that it is personal space. Social media is personal space for the customer. That is the mentality of the people. So we cannot actually disturb them in between. So we need to actually create a balance. What is the content that is going to add value to my customer, that is going to be beneficial to my brand, and what is the content that I am sharing just for engaging with the people, that is fun for the customers. For example, on special event, you are sharing a post. For example, right now it is the time of Ramzan and the Eid is coming up. So you can post those graphics and maybe the social media activities. But on the contrary, we should also share some of the things which are important for my branding. For example, in case of my institute, we need to talk about the achievements of my students. We need to talk about the major activities of my institute. Also, I need to promote the courses that we are offering. We need to also project, okay, these kind of students we are having, for which the recruiters can come and they can hire my students. Okay. You want your audience to interact with your ads, so you need to show them the value to the followers, so that it can have some true network effect. So what we need to post, there can be compelling messages, there can be eye-catching visuals. We should ensure the shareability, that yes, my content is so great that people will be interested in sharing it. A clear call to action has to be there, and a personality needs to be developed. Personality, I mean to say, about my brand, or how the people perceive my brand. So accordingly, we have to create a social media post. On Facebook, there are multiple ways. On Facebook, you are having the option of promoted post. You can simply create a post and you can promote it, maybe by making a payment. How the payment will be done? There could be simply showing the advertisement, and whatever click happens, so you have to pay for it, right? Also, there are options in which you can actually give a form to the customers. They can simply fill in the information from the Facebook profile itself. Customer doesn't need to type the name and email ID or phone numbers many a times. Automatically data is fetched from your Facebook profile and it is shared with the brand. One example we have taken from Uber that I'm going to share in the next slide, right? So how the promoted post work? जनरली वी हैव स्टेटस अपडेट मैंने डाल दिया, वीडियो डाल दिया है, या ब्लॉग पोस्ट डाल दिया, या कोई ऑफर डाल दिया, so that can be actually posted into my news feed. So now this news feed can be shown on users news feed, and it has to be clear and concise, and definitely it should have the call to action also कि भाई आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करके you will be able to buy something, or you can find some more information about my products. So that is the purpose. One great example of promoted post we can see here, Uber post. Like page के लिए इसने option दिया है on the top, you can see, and then there is one more call to action, that is sign up. Sign up now, a partner account with Uber to become a partner driver, right? So this is a post that is being shared on Facebook, and the company is trying to bring in more number of drivers with their platform, right? So that is a sponsored ad, you can see clearly on the top, and sign up option यहाँ दिया है, so that makes the advertisement more functional. Facebook ad provides highly targeted opportunity. They appear on the right side of the user screen. Generally right side पे आएगा, बीच में आपका news feed आता है, right side पे ad आता है. In fact, some of the ad are coming in the center also now. PPC ads can be there, per click you will be paying, or view based can also be there कि भाई per million users कितने आप charge देने वाले हो. So what are the purposes? Purpose for the Facebook ad could be website conversions, it could be post engagements, it could be page likes, it could be app installs, app engagement, offer claims, local awareness, event registration, and video reviews. इतने सारे टाइप के पोस्ट आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो अपने फेसबुक के थ्रू. One example you can see, Stay America, extended Stay America, that is one post that has been shared, right? यहाँ पे जो company है that are actually sharing one large image and a small call to action to book the best stay in the hotel. Facebook ad can further targeted and personalized through a connection with your marketing automation platforms. Just imagine if you are having the data of your customers with you, data आपके पास already है, अब उन्हीं लोगों को आप Facebook पे target करना चाहते हैं, तो there can be some automation between your marketing platforms that you are already using, and the Facebook can be integrated with that, right? So that you can identify the custom audience, or you can create the look alike audience also. कि भाई ये जो पोस्ट है ये किस तरह की ऑडियंस तक जाना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट वी आर हैविंग द ऑप्शंस. देयर इज वन मोर कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड डार्क पोस्ट. बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. फेसबुक में तो सीधा सीधा कह देता है दैट इट इज ए स्पॉन्सर्ड कंटेंट, और वी आर एक्चुअली शेयरिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन जस्ट फॉर कलेक्टिंग सम यूजर्स रिस्पॉन्स. सो यू कैन क्रिएट और प्रमोट विदाउट पब्लिशिंग डायरेक्टली टू योर न्यूज फीड. तो आपकी खुद की न्यूज फीड में नहीं जाएगा, दैट विल बी डायरेक्टली गोइंग टू द पीपल. प्रमोटिंग ए प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस टू ए स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस, उसी ऑडियंस तक आपका कंटेंट जाएगा. इट विल नॉट बी ऑन योर ओन प्लेटफॉर्म. आपके खुद के जो फेसबुक पेज है वहां पे वो एड नहीं दिखेगा. एडजस्ट द मैसेजिंग ऑन योर एड बेस्ड ऑन द सेगमेंट दैट यू आर टारगेटिंग. आप उसमें एज वाइज, लोकेशन वाइज, एथनिसिटी, इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप वगैरह के बेसिस पे यू कैन शेयर योर एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन फेसबुक. It is great for local event promotions. For example, I am having an event maybe in Delhi. तो मेरा जो फेसबुक का इतना सारा यूजर बेस है, मे बी 1 लाख लोग अवेलेबल है मेरे फेसबुक में, तो सबको मुझे अपना पोस्ट नहीं दिखाना है. आई वांट टू शो माय एडवर्टीजमेंट only to some people. So those people actually I can show my advertisement easily. And it is also good for A/B testing. A/B testing of the different advertisements. A/B testing का मतलब तो आपको पता ही है कि हम वो दिखाना चाहते हैं कि भाई हमारे जो ओवरऑल इवेंट हो रहा है तो उसके साथ कौन से पोस्ट पे लोग ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, कौन से इवेंट पे लोग कम इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. That is called A/B testing. After Facebook, we are having the option of Twitter. Twitter again is having a great target customers for your organization. Huge user base is there. So what we can do, we can showcase themselves, right? They are also missing out an opportunity to showcase themselves to this target group. इतना बड़ा user base है तो इसको इस पास भी हमें जाना चाहिए. How we can do it? We can have the promoted tweets, right? Paid advertisement. So that will be showing your tweet in the user's news feed, targeted to the followers and the users who are fitting your criteria. So maybe on the basis of the hashtags or the age groups, you can show your advertisement to the tweet users also. Promoted tweet looks much like a standard tweet, but it sits at the top of user stream. User की जितने भी tweet आ रहे होंगे उसके post में, उनमें सबसे ऊपर आपका ad जाके बैठ जाएगा. You are charged on the basis of per click basis, which Twitter calls cost per engagement. यहाँ click को बोलते हैं cost per engagement. Right? This is how you are going to post your advertisement on Twitter. तो एक एग्जांपल आपके सामने है, ट्विटर का खुद का एग्जांपल है, ट्विटर स्मॉल बिज, दिस काइंड ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट विल बी शोन, और नीचे कहीं छोटा सा लिखा हुआ है प्रमोटेड, राइट? विजिट नाउ, दैट इज अ कॉल टू एक्शन. So the person will click on visit to now and they can be taken to your landing page.